Okay, we are about to do a live drawing for the Osoyoo robot kit. Let's just check out how it looks. So we've had 118 submissions as of when it closed at 11:30 today. Just a note about these contests. This is a cool kit. I think this is like $70 or something like that, and super generous for companies like Osoyoo to donate this stuff to us. They don't have to do it, and I'm just really grateful. So I encourage you to watch the videos and interact with the companies and do what you can to support these companies. Click on the links to at least check out the products, even if you don't buy them. And if you're considering a robot, I mean, check these guys out. I mean, the fact that these guys cared enough to give this kit, they did some support. I had some issues with a different kit I had with them, and support's been great and all that stuff. So anyway, we've got 118 people who have signed up for this contest, and a lot of people said in the post on the Arduino Facebook page that they didn't know there were contests. We try to pin these things up at the top so that you guys can see them and keep an eye out for the different contests. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to process it, and just for those of you guys who haven't watched one of these videos before, we're going to basically, when I click this button, it's going to go to the database and it is going to grab all 118 entries, and it's going to shuffle them up, and then it's going to, just for the fun of it, it's going to skip the first person and take the second person, and the second person will be marked as the winner. It's not going to show their email address or anything on this screen. So anyway, I do want to say one more thing before I select the winner. Is I've mentioned it on the page where you sign up, and I've mentioned it in the group. We do ask everybody to only sign up one time. The system has a lot of different ways to just detect that kind of nonsense and all that stuff, and it's just be good group members, have fun with it, like take your one shot. Basically 1 to 200 people sign up for these contests, which is great odds for like a $70 prize. Plus these people pay to ship this stuff anywhere in the world. So be good stewards of it. Sign up once, take your chances, and then if you don't get it, sign up for the next one. Anyway, here we go. Process the winner, and Vijaya Kumar would have won, but since he didn't, then Andrea Della Val won. So congratulations, Andrea, whatever your name is. We're happy that you signed up, and I hope you enjoy your robot kit.